FM, sounding good all the time.
All right, Star FM sounding good all the time. Thank you so much for making us your number one. We are getting into something exciting shortly. But before we do that, load up your data courtesy of Econet. We're talking about your bundles. You simply dial star 900 hash and get a free EcoShore cover of up to $2,500. You dial star 900 hash, select airtime and bundles and choose your preferred Econet data bundle. Hashtag EcoShore, hashtag Hupenyu Wakarongeka. The leading radio station in the land. All right, we're going in.
3, 2, 6. K, V, G.
Authorization verified. Proceed.
Welcome to
3 to 6 Express.
And I hope you're ready for it, Zimbabwe. We have one amazing, super talented mega star from Jamaica. He is in the building.
Sweet love, on the night shift. Later on. One more night, yeah, we give me one more night. Listen, dreams of brighter days.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Busy Signal is in the place. Let's make some noise.
Yeah.
Bees. Oh, man. On the leading radio station, Star FM, the home of the stars. And the superstars in the place. Busy, welcome to Star FM.
Bless up. Thanks for having me.
We're super excited to have you. Are you happy to be in Zimbabwe?
It's great. I'm happy. I'm very, very happy to be here. I'm honored to be here. Representing the people, representing the fans,
Love it.
representing ones.
I understand this is not your first time in Zimbabwe.
No, it's not my first.
Third time?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah.
Because I remember the first time you came to Zimbabwe for that massive performance. I had to make a plan to attend, and I must say that it was fire.
Whoa.
So we can't wait for the Kadoma Music Festival. We are very curious.
It's going to be great.
Yeah.
I myself is anticipating it because I never performed in that side before.
Yeah.
So it's like, I'm just anticipating the moment just to go out there and share what I bring.
Nice.
You know what I mean? Keep it busy for the fans and keep it busy throughout the whole set. And
The signal is always busy.
keep it busy.
I
Yeah.
love that.
Yeah.
Now, they named you Busy Signal. I hear that your friends always used to say that you were always busy all the time.
Always up and about, curious, trying to know what's what, trying to do
Yeah.
things, trying to, just know what's going on and try to be involved in something. Yeah, I've ever since I known myself, I started out in church, you know what I mean? And just singing, knowing what's the instruments, knowing what to do, and just trying to fit into something. So ever since I know myself, you know what I mean? Even people that know me before me, the ones that know me before I know myself, they always say that, yeah, you always be up and about trying to do this, that. So
Yeah.
yeah.
You have a very strong catalog. So I'm trying to guess. Are we getting a 1 hour set of, hit after hit from Busy Signal? But, you've been in the game for a long time, and we love, the music that you have been, bringing out, especially to your fans here in Zimbabwe.
Yes.
And let's talk about that, because just looking at you, you're fit, you look, healthy. Is there a routine to it or a diet? What do you eat? How do you still stay healthy like this?
I'm peculiar with what I eat. You know what I mean, whatever I consume, I'm peculiar with it. Whatever I'm drinking or eating, it's just a certain type of stuff. You know what I mean? Some things that work for me might not work for some people. Some things that work for some people might not work for me. And then I stay prayed up. You know what I mean? I stay prayed up. I surround myself with positive people. I surround myself with a positive team. You know what I mean? That's very important today, to surround yourself with people that are focused. You know what I mean? A lot of people is missing what the real thing is. Because the real thing in this world is not the fame or the likes or the comments or how many followers you got. you got people with millions of followers and it's garbage. You know what I mean? You got to be focused and you got to just stay grounded.
Yeah.
You can't lose yourself with all this fame or so-called followers or people in the comment section.
Yeah.
Those are garbage if you compare it to life and what we're standing for and what we're representing in terms of the message.
Pastor B's is signal in your place. But that's quite profound. That's quite profound. I love it. Now, I think you're also coming to Zimbabwe at a time where, you know, the streets are buzzing. A very big tune is, you know, minds playing, you know. That is the massive collaboration that you had with the GOAT, one of the greatest Zimbabwean artists, Winky D. So this was like, you know, two greats coming together, collaborating. Drink up, problems away.
Problems away.
Let's talk about that collaboration and how it was, you know, just linking up with Winky D and creating a magical sound.
Well, I mean, it was very, very great for me. It was, I mean, I'm honored to just do great music with people worldwide.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And when they promote greatness links with greatness, and they make it happen.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I get the call from my team, and I was like, well, and they mentioned, okay, we know sort of Winky. I was like, I know Winky D.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Send it to my phone. Let me hear what's what. Instantly, I was like, I love this, and I love the topic.
Big tune.
Yes, the melody and the topic and what we're saying in it. You know what I mean? People could really see themselves looking forward to a brighter day, looking forward to, I mean, who wouldn't want to have their problems
go away? Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's a very worldwide topic, and it's a very, it's a friendly topic.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? People want to have fun, drink responsibly, and just enjoy themselves without problems. So that's a very good thing. Big up Winky D, you know what I mean? Big up the promoters, big up the possibilities and whatever lies in the future for that song and for the movement of great music.
We love it. We love it. And I know that your brother, Chris Martin, is also in the country. So we're just excited about the lineup, you know.
It's a very powerful lineup. And I'm honored to just be there sharing the stages. I'm like a young act. I'm like one of the young acts, just because I'm enthused by linking up with people that do real music and people that with real talent, and even the younger talents on the show. I just, you know what I mean? And I'm one of those type of artists that I'm on the event. I'm not gonna just be there. Okay, Busy Signal is supposed to be performing this time. Next thing you know, I'm just reaching there like 3 minutes before my time to perform and just perform and leave. No, I want to be there to see the first artist.
Be part of the experience.
Yeah, I want to see these things. You know what I mean? So I'm that type of person, and I brought friends with me as well. And it's like we're just gonna have a great time.
We're going to have a great time, no doubt. And we're saying, let's go to Kadoma. Let's go together. A fire lineup, a busy signal with me in the studio. And definitely my signal is busy on the WhatsApp platform. Messages are coming in fast and furious. And they can't wait to check out your performance. And maybe before we let you go, unfortunately, we're fast running out of time. But the power of music. You collaborating with Winky D, that's big, you know, for the Zimbabwean community, Africa, you know, at large. What would you say, your message to someone who's listening? Maybe we have upcoming artists, or maybe just the listener right now, when we're looking at what music has done for people, especially unifying people and bringing them together.
Love, you know, love. And whatever field you're in, love what you do and do it to the best of your ability. You know what I mean? Focus on what you do what you do to the best of your ability. Love what you do. You know what I mean? Sometimes some people is out there doing something, maybe they don't love what they're doing, but they're doing it because they have to. But it's such a blessing for you to be able to do something that you love to do, especially if you're doing that thing for your livelihood. You know what I mean? So it's like just to survive, just to make it, just to maintain making it, and doing what you do a positive way. And the most important thing is what you do can change somebody's life in a positive way, or as just like you said, having someone being inspired. You know, that's a great thing, because if you could do something and it's inspired me, your purpose in the world is very, very meaningful. You know what I mean? So I just love blessing light and peace.
Oh,
Yeah,
man.
Yeah, man.
I love your energy.
It's great.
I love your energy. It's positive energy all the way.
Right,
What an honor.
Blessing.
Very humbled to be in your space right now and just, sharing insights. And looking forward to the Kadoma Music Festival. I will be there. And let's drink our problems away.
Let's drink up.
Hey.
Yeah. And when we link up, yeah, man, I be a things, man. We just give thanks and praise. I got Bling Dog from Jamaica here. I got Jackie
Blessings.
from Jamaica
Blessings.
here. You know, we bring some friends. I got Kananga. You know what I mean? All these artists that is in the presence and the circle. And we are all here to just represent Kadoma Music Festival. Turn up. Be there. Be there. Be there.
Wicked. Wicked tune this.
I don't like it when I feel this way. I just want to live my way. Shut up. After a busy day, I need a place where the music play. Let's link up and drink up. No need to worry tonight. Let's all be happy tonight. Drink all the troubles away. Drink all the problems away. Problems away, problems away, problems away, problems away, problems away, problems away, problems away. Make we link up in the morning and night or in the noon. Make we link up and we do up. Here what now, Zimbabwe. One them we lose. Long time we not have no nice time. Before we flatline. Before even one time. Free your mind. Alright. We gon' party. Hands up everybody. Drink all your troubles away. Let's link up and drink up tonight.
We're going to Kadoma.
Yes.
Let's all be happy. Ooh, wicked.
Drink all your troubles away. Yeah, man. Man. Problems away. 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 Zimbabwe, Kadoma.
We'll see you there. We are Star FM, sounding good all the time. Man, busy signal. And before we shut it down, Prince, if you can come to the mic, we're looking forward to this, man. What a lineup.
No, I'm actually more excited than ever been. This is the biggest. this is absolutely the biggest Kadoma Music Festival we've ever had. Bigger than we expected. Bigger than we ever thought. Busier than can you imagine? Busier than you can imagine. I think the one thing that I would say to anyone coming through, pull through, come through early, get in there early, have a good time. Busy's coming early, so you be there early.
Yes.
You know, let's have a good time. Let's link up. Let's drink up, and let's make history.
I love it. Now, the question is on tickets, and people are saying, are tickets still available Saturday?
Tickets are absolutely still available. Get your tickets. Tomorrow is a ticket day, guys.
Yeah.
Get your tickets. Go to Booties Pharmacies. Go to Nash Furnitures. If you don't want to get out your house, go online. Go on Ziki More. Buy your online ticket. And know that your life is sorted. Absolutely, get your tickets. Even accommodation. You can still get accommodation at this very minute. So call us. Get in touch with us. And let's get you sorted.
The Jamaican superstar is here in Zimbabwe. If you're doubting, well, listen, you heard it right here on Star FM. Busy signal is in the place, and definitely the signal is going to be busy on Saturday. We cannot wait. Busy, thank you so much for making time, King.
Thank you so much for having me.
I appreciate
FM,
it.
Star FM, all the listeners, big up on yourself, bless up. You know the thing said, Zimbabwe, we're going to be there. Kadoma, yeah, man. Big. Don't miss it.
6 Express.